my beautiful friends and the people on the internet. Today is my first video and I am so excited to be sharing it with you. I know that it's up later than I told you it was going to be, but I am so sorry for that. I wanted to make this video as perfect as possible since it is my first video and I was showing you guys what my channel is going to look like. I didn't want to start randomly giving you guys videos, but instead I wanted to make this video so I could talk a little bit about my channel and what it's going to look like, plus the kind of videos I'm going to be posting, while also doing my makeup in this video. My channel is going to be mainly based on beauty, focusing my channel on my passion for makeup and hair, but occasionally posting and incorporating videos about my lifestyle or fun adventures I have with my friends and family. If you don't know me, my name is Sinead Tollefson and I live in Ida Grove, Iowa on a small farm. I live with my parents Todd and Tammy, my older brother Ty, and my older sister Tia. I'm in the 8th grade and I hate every second of it. School is not my thing, but when I come home after school, my true passion begins. I usually start playing with makeup and trying to create diverse, unique looks, rubbing my face raw because I try so many different looks at night. Makeup is a big passion of mine because there are no rules to makeup and beauty, but everybody has their own style, which makes me truly inspired that you don't have to be like everybody else. Makeup has always been fun for me and there for me ever since I got my first makeup set at the young age of 5. I immediately dove right into the periwinkle blue eyeshadow and the bright pink lipstick. That memory of mine, along with the beautiful Iowa sunsets, inspired me to do this makeup look for you guys. I think that it is so cool that I started with having no good makeup at all and no experience at all, and to grow from other people on YouTube, and now I'm here making my very own video to hopefully inspire other people. I'm sure that you guys can tell that I'm very passionate about makeup, but I'm also very passionate about animals. I have many pets such as 3 dogs, a cat, a hedgehog, and a cockatiel, along with all of the farm animals. My brother Ty and I show sheep in the spring and summer, which keeps us really busy, and if you guys would like to see a video this summer about it, I'd be happy to do that for you. But when I'm not spending time with my sheep and all of my amazing pets, I'm either planning, filming, or editing a video for you guys, because makeup and videos are truly important to me. A huge dream of mine is to be able to move to California after I graduate so I can inspire people and get inspiration from other talented makeup artists. There isn't a bigger fear of mine that I have besides not accomplishing this dream, because the only thing that I think that I could turn to that makes me truly happy and inspires me to get out of my comfort zone and express my crazy imagination through natural and bold makeup looks. I am starting this channel now at the young age of 13 so I can share with you my makeup journey and hopefully inspire you to do amazing things yourself. I want to make it very clear that I am not a perfect person. I am far from perfect, and this video really shows that because I make so many mistakes, but those mistakes I learned from and make myself better as a person. Plus, sometimes mistakes make way better makeup looks anyways. If there are any video ideas that you guys have, because I could always use makeup ideas, please comment them down below and I will really take a look at those so I can create some of them. Thank you guys so much for watching my first video and introduction to my channel. I had so much fun filming this and editing it for you guys, even though it was a lot of hard work. I am so excited to keep making videos and to keep sharing them with you guys on YouTube. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope that you subscribe down below and like this video so I know that you guys want to see more. Thank you guys so much. Bye.